So here we are with the xPerts. xPerts are professional-grade tactile modules which like to be combined. We are having a scalable system. Our software glue is multi-device, so you can keep adding devices and glue will treat them like one. So we have little units, the xPerts, whereas he's the expert for switching, he's the expert for editing, he's the expert for effects and blending, and here is the mixing expert. Now, you can freely assign what these do, but you can also combine them. So you can grow your system by saying, oh, I may need one more of these fader blocks, and you can just seat them next to each other for a specific purpose. You can rearrange them. You can take two to this production, two to the other production, and this way you can mix and match your control needs, and glue always brings it together, so these little modules will always work like one.